Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily export a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So first head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and open up the file that you would like to export as PDF. Now here in the left panel, under the All Tools section, you can see the Export a PDF setting or option. All you have to do is click on it. And here you can export PDF to Adobe Express, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, image format, or other formats, depending on how or what you want to export this PDF in. Click on that option and say, for example, we want to export this PDF to Microsoft Word. So we're just going to click on this. Now all you have to do is click on the Convert button. Now here, choose the destination folder in which you want this PDF to be exported and click on that folder. Then here, add a file name for your PDF and click on Save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!